In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a job to provision a phone and a line in Akkadian Provisioning Manager version 5. So in the other jobs that we've demonstrated, they've all been user-based, which means the user was the parent for the device. They also contain other items that are user-related, such as voicemail boxes. So in this case, we're just going to provision essentially a phone and a line. And there's a couple ways to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. So under Job Builder, we're going to go up to Add, and we're going to follow the same process we've done before. We're going to provide a name for the job. So in this case, we could call it either something like Add Public Space Phone, or you could just do Add Phone and a Line, depending upon what type of phone it is. You might have a couple different jobs around the scenario. Then we're going to do Job Access, which I'm going to set for Administrator. We're not going to do an email template in this example. So I could come over here. Now there's two ways to do this. If it's a single phone type, simplest way to do it is click on Phones, choose the phone type, and I've got an 8831 public phone here. And then choose a line template to add next. Go over to Line. We're going to do a standard line, no voicemail here. And that would be it. Hit continue. Don't add anything else. Done. Job is done. So now let's say that you want to add more than one public phone or phone model as a choice. So in that case, I'm going to go up here and I can hit this X and it'll remove all the jobs. And now what I'm going to do is, instead of starting with the phone, I'm going to start with the line. So I'm going to say standard line, no voicemail. And I'm going to go to phone. I'm just going to choose one. And remember, we always have the option of grouping after we add a single phone template. So I'm going to click group. And then here, I'm going to go back to phones. And I'm going to put in the 31 public. I'm going to hit continue here because I'm not anything else. I'm going to add the 41 public and the 61 public. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So this job now will allow me to select one of those three devices when I'm creating my public space phone. So let's take a look what this looks like. So if I drag over Add Public Space Phone, I then get a list of all my options. Now, these are in here because I have first name and last name on one of the elements as a global variable. It's all going to vary. You may not have that. So for common area phone, you might not have first or last name. Some people keep the same global variable and just use it as room 22, right? So room would be first name, last name would be 22. You can also change it and have something like phone description or location or whatever you want. That's how you set up your job. But as you can see here, it's very simple. Same thing, you request a site template, you populate your global variables, which are completely customizable. You pick a directory number, and then you pick your phone type. And now we can pick any three of those phone types. So really, that's how you can create a non-user-based job with just a phone and a line. And like I said, you can do it a couple different ways, whatever works for your environment. And that concludes this video. Thank you.